How to disable dark mode on Snapchat in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log in to your account. Now head towards Bitmoji icon at top left. And as you can see that currently the dark mode has been enabled on Android Snapchat. So proceed towards gear icon at top right corner of the screen and then look for the option of app appearance. Tap to open it and then you simply need to choose to always light. Tap restart now and then when you go ahead and tap on chat icon, the dark mode has already been disabled on Snapchat on Android. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.